We have multiplication of polynomials. How we do this? We have to multiply every expression in the first parenthesis by every expression in the second parenthesis. So this is equal. First we have y cubed. We have to multiply by this whole expression in the parenthesis. So let me copy this. We have y squared plus 5y minus 10. Next we have negative 5y squared, and again by this whole expression in the second parenthesis. Next we have positive y times whole expression in the second parenthesis. And last we have positive 2 times the whole expression in the second parenthesis. Of course we have positive 5 in the parenthesis. So close the parenthesis. This is equal. Now we have to use distributive law of multiplication. First we have to distribute monomial y cubed over each term in the polynomial. So we have y cubed times y squared. When we don't have sign, it's always positive, so positive times positive give me positive. We have y cubed times 5y. Positive times negative, so it will be negative y cubed times 10. Next, we have negative signs times positive, so it will be negative 5y squared times y squared. Negative times positive, so it will be negative 5y squared times 5y. Negative times negative give me positive 5y squared times 10. And next we have to distribute y over each term in the parentheses. So we have positive times positive, so it will be positive y times y squared. Positive times positive will be positive y times 5y. Positive times negative will be negative y times 10. And now we have before parentheses 2, so we have 2 times y squared first. 2 positive times positive, so it will be positive 2 times 5y. Positive times negative will be negative 2 times 10. So now we have to do multiplication. The same base, so we copy the base and we add exponents. 3 plus 2 is 5. Again, first we will write the number. The same base y we copy, and invisible exponent 1 we have 3 plus 1, so this is 4. Next, negative sign 10 we write first, and we have to copy y cubed. Minus 5, and y squared times y squared is y to 4th power. 2 plus 2 is 4. Next we have negative sign. 5 times 5 is 25. Y, the same base, and exponent is 1 and 2, so it will be 3. Plus 5 times 10 is 50 y squared. And next we have the same base, exponent is 1 and 2. So it will be plus y cubed. First the number, so we have plus 5. Y times y is y squared. Next we have negative. First I will write number 10y. Next we have plus 2y squared. 2 times 5 is 10y, and 2 times 10, we have negative sign, negative 20. So this is equal. Now we have to combine the like terms. The highest power is y to 5th power, so we have to copy. Next, we have y to 4th power, 5y to 4th power, and negative y to 4th power, so we can cancel out. And next, what we have? Negative 10y cubed, negative 25y cubed. So this is negative 35 and plus 1. Here invisible 1 we have, so negative 35 plus 1. So this is negative 34y cubed. Next we have positive 50y squared, positive 5y squared, positive 2y squared. So this is equal 50 positive 57y squared. And now we have negative 10y and positive 10y. So it will be 0, we can cancel out, and we have negative 20. This is my solution.